What's this bright orb of yellow in the sky? It burns.
Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Man, I haven't seen the sun in like forever. It must, I swear to God, it's probably been about at least 2 months since we've had a decent weekend out here in San Antonio, South Texas, where it was actually sunny on the weekend and like clear skies and no clouds and perfect temperatures, and it's been forever, and it's literally been weeks since we've seen the sun. It's been raining nonstop for far too long. I guess I'm gonna have to put my ARC project on hold. Damn it. Hopefully maybe Lowe's can take back all that wood I just bought. Anyways, good dog everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing. Oh, water, stay away. No water. So I'm coming to you on a glorious Saturday, end of October. Okay, party people, I'm on my way over to another bikenbird ride, the infamous San Antonio bikenbird. Check his channel out here. And so anyways, I'm heading over there, riding solo today. So he's got a ride planned up to Canyon Lake, up to Luckenbach, to Fredericksburg, then back down through Bandera. Should be a pretty fun ride. I've done a similar route and been to all those areas, and not extremely technical, but just a good all around, just getting out and enjoying the great weather we've been having kind of ride. So heading over there to meet up with the crew. It's probably going to be a huge turnout. The bigger that bikenbird gets, obviously the more subscribers, or just fans, followers, whatever you want to call them, show up on these group rides. Of course, you're going to have the OG crew up there, and then probably a lot of new faces, so looking forward to it. Going to document it, maybe get some drone footage, bring it all to you guys. My little spin on the bikenbird ride. So everyone, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and press that like button. If you haven't already, please press that subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification as I release a new video once a week. Once again, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys all later. Peace.
Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down.